Making money online has become more accessible than ever. Master keyword SEO analysis and Google SEO to drive traffic and generate income. Understand the fundamentals of SEO. Optimizing content helps search engines rank it higher, increasing organic traffic. Keyword research is essential. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs to discover high-volume, low-competition keywords. Focus on long-tail keywords for targeted traffic. Instead of make money online, try make money online with blogging. Optimize your content by including keywords naturally. Attention to on-page SEO, quality content, and meta descriptions is key. Start a blog or website to showcase your content and services. Platforms like WordPress enable SEO optimization. Monetize with ads from Google AdSense. More traffic means higher earnings, especially with well-targeted content. Use affiliate marketing by embedding affiliate links in your content. You can earn commissions from sales through your referrals. Offer SEO services for businesses needing help with online presence. SEO consulting can be a lucrative opportunity. For e-commerce, optimize product descriptions and images to boost visibility in search results. Use the right keywords. Track your SEO progress using Google Analytics and Search Console to measure traffic and keyword performance. By leveraging keyword SEO analysis and Google SEO, you can generate income online with patience and strategic efforts.